Hi guys, I'm Kevin Richardson and this is Gandalf, and if you want to gain some insight into this amazing animal, then I suggest you get my book called Part of the Pride.
So this is where it all really starts, with youngsters, and that's how you start a relationship really. You got to start with them young, just like you would with a human being. And you've got to instill in them what you want at this early age. So if you're wanting to play rough with them when they're adults and you're wanting to interact with them face to face, then this is where it all starts. And typically in a lion pride, this is how they would be interacting with each other at this age. When they came back to the pride at this age, it would just be fun and games. They're not interested in hunting. They're just interested in play, 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 and then sleep, 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 and then eat, eat, eat. Eh? You don't know what's ahead of you, my boy. You don't know what's ahead of you. You think it's just fun and games. Ah! Been mauled by a lion. Yes! And a leopard. Not many people know what this little guy is. It's a little spotted hyena. Yes! A little spotted hyena playing with a lion. That's not meant to be. Hey, a lion licking a hyena. Over the past 10 or so years, I've been asked quite a few times, Kev, how is it you can work with these predators so freely? And not just animals of this age, but even when they get to adults. And recently I've had the privilege of being able to put it down on paper. And I'll explain what I mean if you come visit me just now when I'm with the pride. Come on, let's go. Incoming. Like previously you saw me playing with the cubs, that's how I started with Tower Napoleon. But if you really want to know about the nitty-gritties of how I do what I do and why I'm crazy enough to even attempt to do it, you got to read the book. I think it'll give a new insight into the way people can work with these predators. And not only the lions, hyenas, leopards, cheetahs, all of the large carnivores. So most people are thinking, well, it's only a matter of time before this guy gets eaten by these lions. And I obviously tend to disagree with that entirely, otherwise I wouldn't be doing what I do.